Sampling soil to assess the amount of plastic mulch fragments. The soil sampling method described in this video can be used to measure the amount of visible plastic fragments in the soil. Plastic fragments may be from several sources, such as polyethylene or PE mulch, as well as soil biodegradable plastic mulch that is designed to be tilled into the soil after use. This sampling procedure does not distinguish between biodegradable and non-biodegradable plastic. This is a list of the supplies you will need to sample soil using this method. Collect 5 representative soil samples from different areas of the field that you wish to assess. Keep each soil sample separate. Place a 3-foot by 3-foot frame over the area that you will sample. Use a shovel to collect the soil from within the frame to a depth of 6 inches, which is the general tillage depth. Place the soil on a piece of plywood that is at least 4 foot by 4 foot in size. Mix the soil thoroughly and spread it out as much as possible on the plywood. Reduce the amount of soil in the sample using the quartering method. Divide the soil into quarters by creating 2 lines intersecting at right angles at the center of the pile. Discard 2 diagonally opposite quarters. If plastic fragments fall on multiple quarters of the pile while quartering, divide the fragments and place them on the respective quarters. Remix the sample and carry out this quartering procedure a total of 4 times so that the final sample size is 1/16 of the original sample size, which is approximately 2.5 gallons. Spread out each soil sample on a hard, clean surface, protected from the rain. Check the sample every 1 to 2 days until it is dry enough to crumble easily between your fingers. On a clean table, place about a quarter of the sample at a time and use a marble or heavy rolling pin to break the soil clods. At the same time, dry sieve the soil through the number 8 sieve and collect the plastic fragments that retain on it and place them in a Ziploc bag. Label the bag to track the source of the sample. The plastic fragments from 1 sample at a time in a plastic tub. Add water and gently agitate the plastic fragments with your hands to remove the soil. Pour the water out through an ASTM standard number 10 sieve to capture and retain all the plastic pieces. Add the plastic fragments back to the tub and repeat the process until you remove as much soil as possible. Place the cleaned plastic fragments in a labeled paper bag and air dry. Spread the dry plastic fragments on a white or light colored tray and use forceps to remove any debris that may be present. Weigh the amount of plastic mulch in each sample separately. This requires a precision balance that can read 1 milligram to 100 grams. Calculate the weight of mulch per acre by multiplying the total weight of the mulch recovered from the soil samples by the conversion factor provided on Table 1. You can calculate the area of mulch per acre based on the weight of the mulch that you recovered. The total area of mulch per acre equals the weight of the mulch divided by the density of the mulch times the thickness of the mulch. Thank you for watching. More information can be found on this website.